My name is Rashma. I am the CEO at BrighterMonday Tanzania. We understand that millions of employees across the world have been directly impacted by COVID-19, especially the health sector. This is why we continue to provide our full support to the health sector and all other sectors who are in the front line fighting COVID-19. BrighterMonday is offering significant discounts for all our premium services as part of our Unity in Adversity initiative. We appreciate the priceless value of our hospitals and healthcare facilities, and you should not have to worry about finding the right manpower. Your efforts should continue to be focused on battling the pandemic, while we at BrighterMonday can help you identify the right people to help fight this battle. Using products like BrighterMonday's Best Match, employers will be able to hire the right fit faster. With our Best Match technology, the best fitting healthcare candidates for a certain position is identified and prioritized so employers can see them first and fast without using a lot of resources and energy. The main advantage of using Best Match is that the time spent going through hundreds of applications is reduced significantly, saving time which you can use for your core responsibilities. Employers who use our Best Match product will get up to 10 best matches within the first 7 days of their job posting going live. For more information, click on the link or call us. We're waiting to hear from you.